Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to put an audio to your project in Capcut. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Capcut, I want you to click the sign up option. From here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding an audio to your project in Capcut is relatively easy. Of course, you have to open the Capcut application on your computer, and of course, you can create a new project, or if you have already an existing project, you might want to click that for editing. You would notice that my video has already an audio in it. You see this on the audio. This is going to be the video timeline and the audio timeline. For you to add an audio, all I have to do is go to this section right here that says audio. And you may notice you can add or import your own music, especially if you are an artist, a singer, or a musician. You can add your favorite items will appear here and go to music. All right, you can put in sound effects, TikTok sounds, and a lot more. But if you don't have your own music, all right, you might want to go to the music section wherein you have these available for you. But the thing is, all the music that has a pro thumbnail or watermark in it requires a pro subscription. So you might want to avoid that for now. If in case you wanted to use some free option, just click this for example. All right. You would notice that there is like a preview on the bottom part corner. So the music runs around 4 to 6 seconds. And if you want to use this, all I have to do is click this and drag it on the audio timeline. Or if you want, you can drag it here to create an overlay wherein if you play the video alongside your audio and the music, you can do that. Not only that, you can also have the option to, you see this section, on the basic, you can increase the volume. You can create a fade in and fade out effect. All right, click the normalize loudness, but the thing is these requires the pro subscription. All right, but you see these are some of the options that you can use. Range, select by clip, create compound clip by sub project, and you can do all this. You can also cut the audio if you want. For example, this, we're going to be right clicking this one right here, click the cut. You see this section? All right, so you have cut that already. So we are going to create a full in-depth video about how to edit audio in the next videos here in our G Plus channel. But basically, this is how you add an audio to your project in Capcut. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.